Okay, I'll just explain you the 8th question here. It says if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x2. x2 basically means x square. Okay, x square minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta is 1. You have to find k. Okay, so this is given. So let's just do what we know. We know alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So a is 1, b is minus 5, and c is k here in this case. So we just have to do minus b by a. So minus 5 upon a is 1. So we have 5. So we have alpha plus beta as 5. This is very easy. Alpha plus beta is given 5. Alpha minus beta is given as 1. So what I can do is I can just calculate the value of alpha here, 1 plus beta, and I can put it here, 1 plus beta because of this is 5. So 1 plus 2 beta is 5. 2 beta is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So beta here is 4 divided by 2. So beta is 2. So we have beta. I can even calculate alpha. Alpha I can calculate by putting the value here in any of the equation. So if beta is 2, alpha will be 1 plus 2, which is 3, right? Then we have to calculate the value of k, right? So we can say that alpha beta is equal to c by a. So alpha beta means 3 multiplied by 2 is c. c is k here upon a. a is how much? 1. So 6 is equals to k. That's it. So what did we do in this question? Here basically we need to make two equations. This is already given, right? This is already given, and this you will make on your own, that alpha plus beta is this. You just put the value of either alpha or beta in this one and calculate the answer. That's it. Let's see the next one now. For the next one, it says find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are the reciprocal of the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so let's see. They are saying find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocal of the zeros of the polynomial ax square bx plus c. So if we have ax square plus bx plus c, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, so we have to find another one जिनके रेसिप्रोकल्स इनके ज़ीरोज़ के ऑपोजिट हो. बेसिकली अगर ये अल्फ़ा है तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल 1 बाय अल्फ़ा है, और अगर ये बीटा है तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल 1 बाय बीटा है. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि कोई ऐसा क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनॉमियल ढूंढो जो इस वाले ज़ीरोज़ का रेसिप्रोकल हो. तो इस वाले ज़ीरोज़ तो अल्फ़ा और बीटा है जो हमें नहीं पता होते हैं. तो इनके रेसिप्रोकल्स क्या हो गए? 1 बाय अल्फ़ा and 1 by beta, right? So we just have to calculate the answer here, that sum of zeros is alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a, and here product is c by a, right? This is already given. ax square plus bx plus c, right? So minus b by a and c by a. Now sum, the new sum of the reciprocal ones, the new polynomial which we have to make. So the sum, we have zeros as 1 by alpha and we have zeros as 1 by beta. So 1 by alpha and 1 by beta का पहले आप sum निकालोगे, which we have this, right? Alpha plus beta की आइकन जगह write minus b by a, minus b by a. Here I can write c by a. Then I can cut a and a. So minus b by c, right? Then if I have to calculate the product, it is 1 by alpha multiplied by 1 by beta, which is 1 by alpha beta. And instead of alpha beta, I can just write 1 upon c by a, which is a by c. So I have the sum, I have the product. I just have to write the general form x square minus sum x plus b. So x square minus sum x. Sum is minus b by c product is a by c. So we just write x square plus bx by c plus a by c. Then whenever we have a denominator, okay, we have to eliminate that denominator by multiplying it with the same number. Here we have denominator c, so I will just multiply with c. Now I can just, reduce it by just multiplying cx square. Then if you multiply this, c and c will be cancelled. Then if you multiply this, c and c will be cancelled. So we have this as the polynomial cx square plus bx plus a. It should be there, not c. Okay, c and c cancel हो गया, only a is left. So what did we do? They are basically saying कि अगर आपको इस वाले पॉलिनॉमियल के ज़ीरोज़ जो है वो अल्फ़ा और बीटा हैं, तो कोई एक नया पॉलिनॉमियल निकालो जिनके जो ज़ीरोज़ हैं वो इनका रेसिप्रोकल हो. तो अगर इनका अल्फ़ा और बीटा है तो जो नया वाला पॉलिनॉमियल है वो 1/अल्फ़ा और 1/बीटा होगा. तो एक बार ही हमने उनका सम कर दिया, एक बार ही हमने उनका प्रोडक्ट कर दिया. वी पुट द वैल्यूज एंड वी जस्ट राइट इट हियर and then we have the new polynomial cx square plus bx plus a. That's it.